Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. My name is Muhammad Ziqri, and I'm from Kids Public Speaking Bangsa. This year, I am 9 years old, and my speech today is Let's Read. There are many stories that many children will never read. Story about freedom, story about freedom, story about hope, story that can change your life. If only can read, there are books with the rules. We were told not to question, but books show us to think. Not that to think. Books that teach us things we will not learn in school. The average Malaysian just read 1.5 books a year. Imagine that will happen if we increase that 2 books or 3 books. The reading can be revolutionary. So pick up a book and read. Better yet, pick one up somewhere else. Give it to a friend. Give it to friend or a stranger. Read. Because knowledge is power that cannot be stolen. Read because reader have a higher chance to become better leaders. All we need to do is help pave the way. And we can start right now. And you can start right now. Pick up a book and let's us read. Thank you.